The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Billerica, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lowell, Lawrence, Peabody, Billerica, Woburn, Chelmsford, Andover, Lexington, Tewksbury, North Andover, Danvers, Wakefield, Reading, Burlington, Wilmington, Stoneham, Concord, North Reading, Bedford, and Linfield. The National Essex, southeastern Worcester, and Middlesex counties through 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, COPPA radar was tracking a line of heavy showers with embedded thunderstorms along the line from Sutton to Haverhill. Movement was northeast at 35 miles per hour. Rain estimates over the last hour have been as high as 1 inch per hour, and this could lead to localized downpours leading to possible street flooding in poor drainage areas. Hazards include minor flooding. Occasional lightning can also be expected. Minor nuisance flooding of typically flood-prone areas.
Nope.
Locations impacted include Boston, Worcester, Lowell, Cambridge, Lynn, Newton, Lawrence, Somerville, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Peabody, Methuen, Arlington, Everett, Billerica, and Marlborough. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Do not drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Avoid low-lying areas near small streams. Heavy showers and invited thunderstorms with